Hello, Eagles. It's Keroy here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Today, I wanted to read to you Life of Contradiction. And this poem was inspired by the contradiction that appears in our day to day living, right? We see the good and the bad walking parallel, together. We see the hot and the cold. It's all different sides of the same coin. I guess it's part of this universe, because we wouldn't experience joy, blissfulness, if we didn't know the other side, maybe of pain, anger, worry, anxiety. So that the opposite side magnifies what's the other side of things, right? So, life of contradiction. I have lived a life of contradiction. I say yes, then say no, then say never. All are right and all are needed. No wrong, no right. Neutral is a down move, yet needed as well. In that changing landscape, contradiction is part of me, as it is part of life. All parts working together in perfect harmony. Contradiction. I'm in, I'm out, and I'm in again. Contradiction. Like a rose, beauty in the petals, frequency to ignite the senses, covered in thorns, pricky thorns. Contradiction is all around us, yet life still moves on in perfect harmony. Contradiction. Talk to you soon. It's Keroy. Bye.